We're here today for what could be the most epic game of trike. We have 3 of our best trike contenders, Fetty Potter, Uzi Walker Daniel, and Nigel Ryan Jones. Full park, everything counts. They're going at it today. But they designed some new bikes for themselves. So we're gonna go through that real quick and show you guys their designs.
Here I got the blood of my victims that I've won in this trike skate. I got my inspirational quote. Water! Team Goat, I got my Deathly Hollows. And then if you veer to this side, I got my Peep, Lil Peep.
Beautiful display. You forgot the wheels.
Oh yeah, I got my saw wheels, you know, my saw rims, you know.
Now Uzi, take us through your design.
I got the white, got the black, trying to make it a little white and black there. Stickers right here, America. Blinged out handlebar mounts. As you can see here, my inspiration for Becky. Got right here, we blacked out this. I left a little bit of a yellow, like racing stripes. You see these? These are some 20 inchers. You ever heard of Goodyear? These are some Becky's.
And Nigel Ryan Jones.
Mine's simple. This is Eleanor. Some tape up here.
You got black rims.
Yep. Got my American
what is
flags
this?
on here. So,
And that's it? You took off the brakes?
yeah, because I ain't no weenie.
Yeah, well, y'all gonna be sorry when there's a wall coming up and I'm stopping you.
This is no ordinary game of trike. We have something on the line here. Are y'all ready for this? The winner of today's Drift Trike game of trike wins the golden fork. You can eat every meal with this fork. The winner of this is the first honorary winner of the golden fork, okay? And if we want to keep passing it on through the generations, we can figure that out. But right now, this is the prize. So you guys are playing for the golden fork, Rochambeau. Let's get it started. Hold up, wait. Nigel, you were first. So the order is Nigel's first, Uzi is second, Fetty is last. I'm gonna be judging this pretty harsh. Let's get it going. So the agreed upon rules is that your feet cannot touch the ground. If they go like this, thumbs down. But if you land a crazy trick and your heel like bounces off, I think we're gonna allow that because we don't have much time.
We'll start off with the bare basics.
The bare basics.
50 the cliffhanger.
It's been a while since we've had a drift trike game of skating here. I'm really excited. Oh, you almost came off that, Uzi. You better watch yourself. Wow. I don't know how he does it, but Fetty gets twice as much speed as anyone else. I don't know how.
What Fetty just did to Fakey.
I told him. Turn yourself into. I'm about to sand a trick that's never been done.
For who?
This is for Becky right here. Down this right here. Fakey 50-50.
Boy, are you sure? Oh boy.
I'm sorry, Becky.
My turn. My menu up the ramp and off.
All right. Good.
Yeah, boy.
Letter!
Becky.
Becky.
Oh, for Becky! For Becky! Looks like you're having a rough game so far.
Yeah.
Like you're gonna hit, but you're gonna go up. What? How? When did you learn that?
Oh, I've had it in the books.
Oh.
That didn't make any sense because his front wheel definitely didn't make it up, but bounced up. We'll sending it still for Becky.
I caught every part of that.
Oh, oh no! You broke the seat.
The seat?
Bolt came out again, buddy.
Jeez.
You just hit so hard.
I know.
Woo! Yeah! He's doing grind, drop, grind.
It's an interesting technique. Let's see if it pays off for him.
Almost had it.
What you got, NJ?
50 to Fakey.
Fetty. He hasn't learned.
I'm saying he needs more practice.
That was actually really well done. I'm proud of you.
Felt that one.
Dude.
I think he spun the other way,
He's
right?
spun front side.
No! I tried to hold on to it.
what? Yes.
Who do you think is gonna win?
I think Uzi and Nigel.
Good save, good save.
Wow! I'm thinking, this ain't a good idea, but you know what? Sometimes bad ideas are the greatest ideas.
I think he done lost his mind. He doesn't even know what he's doing.
Sometimes you gotta take your britches off.
What? Are you gonna be able to get enough speed to go up this?
Kind of a learn as I go type of thing. Most likely not. This one is for Becky. The other ones were also for Becky.
Oh my God, Nigel, you almost died. That was fine, Uzi, but I don't think the camera does justice what Nigel just did. That was horrifying.
I thought, Gabe, I was gonna have to add another streak for Nigel, you know, of blood. You know, like this one's Nigel right here, you know, but he landed it. He's alive.
I was trying to get my front wheel onto the box because I felt like that was the logical thing to do.
All right, Uzi, take it down.
Endo.
I think I might steal his trick.
The grind one?
Yeah.
His heel touched, but that's the rule we allowed though. Whoa!
I should have stayed on!
This guy's a cheater, he's been practicing.
Fetty, how was that?
That was the scariest thing I've ever done.
No way, dude. Fetty, all you have to do is one more ender.
All right, so I'm gonna fly, right? You know, hit my front wheel, and then I'm gonna, you know, land, grind into the mini ramp.
You're gonna launch from the back, nose bonk right into the mini ramp.
No!
Uh-oh. Nigel, you're up. I would just go back in there if I were you. I don't think you want to know.
I don't understand, and that makes me angry.
Gabe, what's going on right now?
Actually, I really don't know what's happening. Nigel, what did you do?
I dimmed domed it.
Ow! Why? Why did I get stuck? See, here's my theory. After that knee bending experience, my seat is farther up than everyone's, so I think when I go off the ramp, I can't lean back far enough to make it wheelie.
Oh!
Why did that happen?
You want to see what's going on?
Fetty came in there specifically to tell me he was going to do some craziness.
No! Oh, crawl it out! Are you good?
I want that fork! I want the fork!
Oh!
Dang it!
No! That was it!
I impacted the ground pretty hard.
I don't care the consequences, I'm sending it.
Oh! Woo! You're good. Dude, that was easy.
What happened the first time I did it? I don't know.
Welcome to Drift Trikes.
It's insane, man.
Here's where we at, 2018, we evolving. I'm gonna air up manual. Almost had it. I slipped out.
Fetty has never wanted anything more than this freaking fork right now. Oh! No way!
I was about to walk right in front of him. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad you said stop.
All right, full send, baby. I should have just did it.
You got that, dude. You cleared it. You got one more try. This is what's on the line.
I know.
You got it, Nigel. Oh, oh, oh! Oh!
What are you doing?
I think I'm gonna count it. It's madness. We're counting it.
I full sent it.
I need to move this to the faster. If I recall, you said something about bungee week.
It is in fact bungee week. Until Friday, it is bungee week, and it is only Wednesday. Okay. All right. Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna do it no bungee. Watch this. No bungee, full send.
Yeah, boy!
As soon as I hit the ramp, it went nosedive, and I was like, I'm not making it. I'm not making it. I would not suggest doing that no bungee.
Yeah, I thought you were going faster too.
You got it, Uzi. I'm just gonna let you take another look at what you could be winning.
I want it. Nigel went, right? He went without the bungee.
Yeah.
But it's bungee, we gotta use the bungee. So I'm like, I went pretty high with the bungee, you know, and I didn't even hold on the whole time. So if I put that ramp on the top, you're gonna have to use the bungee to get all that air.
Yes, you are.
And if I die, it's for the fans, you know?
Exactly.
Oh my god, I was so scared for my life.
You got this, Fetty! This is it. This is the biggest drift trike banger that will ever go down in the history of the Braille house. Fetty, you got this. Fetty. Anything you'd like to say to Nicole, your cat?
I love you guys. It's been real.
Think he's gonna land it?
I don't know.
I don't know, I'm really scared. You wanna call 911 beforehand, just in case?
Oh my god!
It's bungee week, baby!
Yo! No way! I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how you did that, but I'm excited you did. Keep that foot up or you're done.
I got robbed. I got ripped off. If I had a plastic.
We have drawn blood. How did you crack so many wheels?
Do you not see what I tried?
Fetty, what did you do to your pants?
I ripped them.
You got this?
I guess we'll find out.
Godspeed, brother. I like it.
Coming up sideways. Dang it.
This time,
It's your time to shine.
fullest sand ever.
Yep, the biggest sand you could ever sand.
I think he might die. I would wear a helmet if I was him. It's pretty... Ow.
Oh, we're good.
Full send. Go really fast.
My head blinded me. Did you see that?
Wait,
It
hold
bounced
on, hold on.
up
Wait,
and
wait,
then
wait, wait, wait.
As I was going off, it went nope.
Come on, Fetty, you got it!
Oh, I'm scared.
Take it down! We're having Fetty swap out his bike so he doesn't crack his wheel. Fetty!
Dang it.
I want to see this.
Oh! What?
Full plant. It has to be clean, dog. no quitter.
Wow!
Saddle.
All right, well, Nigel, you got 2 tries. You gonna try it, Nigel?
I'm debating it.
I done broke another one.
What do you think?
I really do want to try it. Hey, I hate the bungee. I think I'm the only person in this warehouse that hates the bungee.
Why do you hate the bungee?
I hate the bungee because it's hard to pull.
Give me the fork. Trust me.
For me?
I'm taking an L on this one. The fork is yours, you savage beast.
Congratulations, Fetty. The fork is yours. Have you lost yet?
No.
Fetty, undefeated champion.
Dang it, I should have
tried
just
to-
Now, the winner of the fork.
So what's gonna be the next deciding game?
We'll decide when the time comes. But when that time
We're
comes,
gonna meet in the streets.
the fork will be up again. All right, you guys, that was the latest installment of Drift Trike's Game of Drift. That was a lot of fun. You guys all killed it. High fives all around. Nick, thank you for pulling the bungee.
Thank you,
Mario,
Nick.
thank you
That's
for
the
filming.
real MVP right
Nick
there.
is the MVP right
Without
there. Let's
Nick-
look at.
Come here, let's give him a round. Come on, get up in here, Nick.
Nick is like the dad,
He's
of,
Braille dad.
of Braille.
I was like, hey Nick, I got an idea. Come help me try and kill myself.
But he's like the cool dad who instead of saying, no, don't do that, son, he's like, haha, let me help you pull the bungee.
No, he is.
Nick, would you like to shout out the Braille shop? Anything you want to shout out?
So many cool things right now. We have handboards right now. We got all these new designs. It is so sick. So check it out.
And you can find that on brailleskateboarding.com. But if you want to follow us all on Instagram, at GabeCrew01, at Uzi Walker, at Fetty Potter, at Nickel Jones, at Mario SB95, and at Boom Slacker. You can check us all out on Instagram. We just want to give you guys a huge thanks for watching this video. It was so much fun to make. You guys don't even understand, even though this was like the scariest thing Fetty's ever done. But we're glad you did it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below. Like Nick said, check out brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs, and we will see you tomorrow. Leave a comment below if you want to see another episode. May the fork be with you. Fetty.